Fully domestic SparkLink combo module. Delivers true pass-through data transmission across SparkLink, Wi-Fi, and BLE. This video will show you how to set up the E105-WBS36S module for connection and data pass-through in BLE mode. Here are all the parts and tools we will need for this setup. First, let's move on to wiring the module. Connect the 2.4 grams antenna right here. Connect the UART1 interfaces of the two E105-WBS36TB chips. Now plug the UART1 ports on both boards into your Type-C to USB adapter. Then use the docking station to connect the modules to your computer. The hardware connection is done. Next, let's configure the module parameters. Open the XCOM serial port debugging assistant on your computer. Open the serial port corresponding to Module A using the module's default serial port parameters 115,208 and 1. Note that you should check the timestamp and word wrap. The module enters configuration mode by default when powered on. Send the command shown in the figure to query the Bluetooth device named E105-WBS36BLE. Send the command shown in the figure to configure it as a BLE server, that is, a BLE slave. Send the command shown in the figure to query the MAC address of the current slave, which is 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. Send the command shown in the figure to enter pass-through mode. Double-click to open the XCOM Serial Debug Assistant again. Use the module's default serial port settings 115,208 and 1 to open the serial port corresponding to Module B. Send the command shown in the figure to configure the device as a BLE client, that is, the BLE host. Send the command shown in the figure to restart the module and apply the settings. Send the command shown in the figure to connect to our BLE slave device. The Serial Debug Assistant indicates that the connection has been successfully established. Send the command shown in the figure to enter pass-through mode. Now demonstrating pass-through. If you send any data in the Serial Debug Assistant, you will see the two modules exchange data via the corresponding serial debugging assistants.